Do you think it's possible, like for example, sa banks, maglo-loan ako, like local banks if we're going, para mas
Yes.
maintindihan nung iba na
Mm.
wala pang familiarity when it comes to DeFi. Do you think it's possible for me if I'm going to loan sa traditional bank, which
Mhm.
is 3%, and then lalagay ko siya sa digital bank?
With e-wallets, I think depending on your transaction and your maintaining balance, they can also issue you a loan, but to a certain degree also.
I see. So,
With e-wallets instant din eh. So I actually yun yung sinasabi ni Jake na dapat meron kang collateral. I haven't tried other lending apps yung as in wala ka talagang collateral.
May experience ako siya kasi may mga applications na sabi ko, too
Mhm.
good to be true. Nag-download ako. I mean, meron kang interest sa babayaran pero ang kapalit mo doon is your identification.
Yung
Yes, yung mga
tatawagan na nila
yung mga
mga
kolektor. Pero
mga kakilala mo.
napakalaki kasi ng
Ng interest.
interest
Oo.
pag umutang ka gano'n.
Kumbaga, it's possible to do it in traditional and digital banks pero merong limitation.
Hindi
Kumbaga,
ka mas
mahirap
malaki lagi ang borrowing rate dito than
Oo.
the
ikaw yung
interest.
magbibigay.
Unless ilagay mo somewhere else. Credit
Oo.
card, nagbigay sa akin 0% interest for 3 months.
Okay.
Tapos ang tinatanong nila, saan ko pwedeng ilagay? So
Baka
parang may
illegal
nagtanong
natin
doon na yung bank, yung credit card ko, pinapautang ako ng let's say 100,000 yata yon.
Mhm.
And then they're giving me 0% for 3 months.
Oh,
Gusto niya ilagay sa digital bank.
Yun.
That itself, in theory, is
Mm.
okay. Kasi 0% eh.
Oo.
Ibibigay ka nila ng walang borrow
No interest.
So everything that you put dun sa, kunyari, sa Maya or sa ano.
Mm.
For example,
Free
free
money.
na. Tapos, babayaran mo na lang siya.
Okay, sige. So
After third
why is this too good to be true or is it like legit?
I don't know. This is too good to be true kasi hindi mo naman siya babayaran at the end of the month. At
At the end of 3 months?
babayaran mo siya every month.
Talaga?
babayaran mo
Hindi
siya ng
siya
3
yung,
months.
parang wala talaga interest.
Wala talaga interest.